Welcome back to a super simple practice. It's all about Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A lot of people can see that. Now let's say it properly in our mathematical language. We say in a right triangle, let's construct a right triangle and add our triangle symbol. Now it's right triangle and we have the short leg, long leg, and hypotenuse. We say in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, which is the square of the length of hypotenuse, is equal to the sum, we're going to add, of the square of the length of the legs. We have leg 1 and leg 2, shorter leg, long leg. That's it. All right, let's practice. I'm going to assign some values here. Let's say we have, this is a 3, this is a 4. What is C? 3 squared plus 4 squared. What is that? Very good. Did you see it's 25? It's 5 squared. Okay? All right. Now, talking about 3, 4, 5, it actually has a really good name called Pythagorean triple. It's like a triplets, twins and triplets. And we often say 3, 4, 5. Of course, this one is our hypotenuse. Okay? And then we can keep writing. We have 6, 8, 10. Oh, what happened? Did you see from 3 to 6? We multiply by 2. 4 to 8, multiply by 2. 5 to 10, multiply by 2. What if we times 3 each one? Let's see what do we have. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. How about let's play one more round. We're going to times 4 times 4. Okay? 3 times 4. 4 times 4. 5 times 4. Okay, we can keep writing like this, and then we can say you just use 3 times a number called x, and 4 times x, and 5 times x. We can create lots of lengths for our beautiful right triangle. So 3, 4, 5 is one of the example in Pythagorean triple. And do we have other one? Yes, we have 5, 12, 13. Once again, you can let it keep multiply by a number we called x. Okay, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, by 4, by 10. And do we have another one? We have 8, 15, 17. That's another Pythagorean triple. We have 7, 24, and 25. Why do we need to know this? Because it will make your calculation much simpler and faster. Okay? All right, let's practice a few more. We will be done with this Pythagorean theorem. Now, how about this time? Let's say, this is a similar problem. Let's say, and we have 4. And let me give you, how about give you 6? Remember, you might not have a whole number. Okay, let's find what is hypotenuse. So we have hypotenuse is squared is a squared plus b squared. Means hypotenuse, if I don't want a square, I will put them under the radical. And I will start to substitute, plug it in. I have 4 square plus 6 square. 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. So this gives us a square root of 52. Wait a minute, we can simplify 52. 52 is 52 divided by 2, that's 26, okay? 26 divided by 2, that's 13. Did you see you have a pair of 2, okay? I'm going to write down here 52. I'm going to write down 52 as 2 times 2 times 13. Remember, this is a square root. When you have a pair, one of them can come out. I'm going to write down it's 2 come out. Who stays? 13 stays. Now, you just simplified. We have 2 times square root 13. All right. Happy practice.